Hi, today's lesson is lesson 55, part 2. So today you're going to learn how to locate and name points on a number line with a scale of 10, and then how to estimate capacity and how to draw a bar graph using a scale of 10. So here we have my number line. Okay, a number line needs to have equal spaces in between each number. Okay, you can do that by using a ruler or just an object and making sure the spacing is about equal. Okay, and I'm going to number the line by ones. Okay, so I start with 0, and then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if I want to make this a scale of 10, to do that, I'd have to multiply each number by 10. So 0 is going to stay the same because 0 times 10 is 0. Okay. When I multiply a number by 10, I can add a 0 to the end of each number. So 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 10 is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now this number line is in the scale of tens because it goes between the mark in between each number is 10. Okay. So what number would be halfway between 80 and 90? Well, the halfway mark is here in the middle. So if you think about it, halfway between 80 and 90 is going to be 85. The halfway mark between 30 and 40 is going to be 35. And we'll label it A and B. Now, between which tens would I put the number 71? So if I wanted to mark 71 on here, I have to put it between two numbers. Well, since it starts with a 7, I know it has to be between 70 and 80. But 71, think about it. Is it closer to 70 or closer to 80? 71 is just the next number after 70. So I want to put my dot for 71 really close to the number 70. It's not in the middle like these ones are. Okay? So here on this number line, I have 3 different points. I have E, F, and G. So if we look at each one to figure out what it is, point E is halfway, looks like it's about halfway between 40 and 50. So E should be equal to 45 because it's about halfway between. Now if we look at number F, we can see it's between 50 and 60, but it's very close to number 60. So F could be either 58 or 59. Like it could be either of those. We don't know exactly what it is. So we just know it's very close to the number 60. Okay? And if we look at point G, again, G is right in the middle between 70 and 80. So we know that point G has to equal 75. I can use a number line with a scale of 10 to make a bar graph. Okay? And I would do that kind of the same way. But my bar would be vertical in this case instead of horizontal. Again, I would start at 0. And then I'd go up by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, etc. Okay? And of course, the bottom part of my graph is going to be whatever object I'm measuring. Okay? So in this case, I might be measuring crayons or Legos in a bag. Okay? So let's say that one bag of Legos had 20 Legos in it. I would draw, so we would say like this is bag 1. There we go. And if it has 20 Legos, then I would draw a bar graph up to 20 Legos. Okay, and fill it in. And that's what you will do. And you kind of have to do this part in class because you'll be working with bags of objects. Okay? And that's it for this lesson. So good luck on your homework.